I don't know what to do. Help me, lady. I don't know what to tell you. I would just kind of scat him away, but
I can't. He's gonna bite me.
no,
He's even bobbing thing.
I don't know what to tell you. You're screwed.
Get off me, monkey. Over here, please.
He's gonna take your hair all down.
Go, go.
Just make it. Just kind of shoo him away.
Oh, it really hurts. Okay, get off. Get off me now, monkey. Your razor sharp talons. Ow. I saw you scratch your butt.
I saw him eat his poop.
Come here, monkey. Come here.
Yeah, keep making him go a little further away from you. Want me to take your camera?
Come here. Okay, I can be a gift for you.
Okay, you better scat him out of your hair or he's going to be the cover.
Please, stop sitting me.
Oh, there you go. Oh my God.